the pioneer of technical analysis in India, only on ET Now.
Okay, you go first. Momentum looks intact. How does one trade the index?
Well, the index is clearly up and running, so we need to clearly remain up, seeing upward bias. What we have actually created as a position is we had created earlier a short straddle around 220 rupees, which is currently down to about 196. So the straddle by itself is making us some money. What we also did yesterday was to add a little bit of skew to the straddle by shorting further of the 5,000 puts. We did this somewhere around 55 rupees, and I think that as a position seems to be fairly well in place, so I would sort of retain this. Now, in the midst of all this cheer of everything going up, etc., we have been up. Today would be probably be the sixth successive session when it is going higher. Maybe it will open better on Monday, who knows, we don't know. But then what I would think is that with the markets going very swiftly up, I would also want to buy a little bit of protection. So I think the puts are trading cheap. Volatility levels are fairly down into sedate areas. The PCROI has been building up, indicating that a lot of puts are being shorted. Today also you see very significant action on the put side, 5,100 put, 5,000 puts, adding substantial amount of fresh OI. So I would want to take a little bit of protection here. So what I suggest is going long the 4,800 put for next week, currently trading at about 15 rupees or so. As the market goes a little higher, this might trade down to somewhere around 12 rupees. So look to add a protection basis on your existing long positions. So this will be, we are buying an out of the money put, of course. So this is something which we are buying for not as a protection, but clearly as a trade on the downside, wherein longs we are maintaining, and we will bail out of longs as soon as there is some indication of weakness. But at the same time, puts are available cheap, and at 12 rupees or so, I think I would like to add. That's a fresh trade for today. Add 4,800 puts at the price of about 12 rupees.